we are going to break down our Stay Ready toolkit. You already know about the playlist. If you don't, you can find our video playlist on our home channel with all of our lives relating to how we can stay ready so we don't have to get ready. But in addition to our Stay Ready playlist, we also have our Stay Ready downloadable resources. And so that's what we're going to go over today. There have been so many questions that have come in that can be answered by going to one of these stores. So let's go ahead and just go over what we have available, starting with the Stay Ready Certification Resource Guide with clickable links, the ultimate guide to free and low cost certifications. The time is now to invest in your future, guys. That's right. It is a fast paced world that we're living in. Who can keep up with all of the technology that's going on? Who can keep up with all the new marketing strategies that's going on? Certifications, staying educated is the best way to do so. And so, if you're looking to switch careers, level up your current role, or start a new venture, this resource guide is your gateway to a wide range of free and low cost certification programs that can transform your skills and your life. Now, listen, we will add some not so low cost certification programs if they meet the criteria that they have showcased that they really help people level up. So, anyway, if you're interested in learning more about tech, marketing, project management, or leadership, the certification that you need are probably in this document. And the best of all, you'll be able to access these resources without breaking the bank at the low of under $10 right now. At least through the end of the year, we will keep the price the same at $697. You will have access to this doc that will be updated at least once a month. We may do more than once a month, depending on, what new programs come out, but you'll have unlimited access to this document and you can click the links that will take you directly to the certification program that you're interested in. Do note, however, because this is a Google Doc, email addresses will be confirmed after the payment is received. And then once confirmed, you will then have access to the link. Okay, so let's go on to the next resource that is available. It's the Mexican Residency Resource Guide with clickable links, all for the low of under $10, at least through the end of the year. I'm just going to quickly go through what is listed in this resource guide and then tell you about a little special that you can take advantage of now. So what's inside of this resource guide? It's a list of Mexican consulates in the US with clickable links for direct access, and that's all of the Mexican consulates, all 53, because sometimes you have to consulate shop based on whatever your financial status is. There are different requirements at different consulates. So we list all 53, and you can click on those links, go directly to that page, and find out what their requirements are. Takes a whole lot of work out of the process for you. We also share what is the actual role of the consulate, at a glance map of the US consulates, how to book your appointment at a Mexican consulate, what is financial solvency, and recent articles about Mexico and the US, both past and present. It goes into our relationship and why things may be repeating themselves, right? And then there's some more interesting facts about Mexico and links to other resources. So go ahead, at least through December 31st of 2024, you can get this for $9.99. What else do you have? You may be asking. Well, let's go through our next resource. And I'm going to save the free ones for last. So if that's what you're interested in, just go ahead and skip through to the end and we will get to those resources momentarily. So next up, which will be part of the sale that I kind of tapped into or kind of mentioned a few seconds ago, is the From Here to There resource guide. So the From Here to There resource guide is 100 plus websites with clickable links to help you plan your move abroad with ease. And the countries that are covered are Canada, Costa Rica, Kenya, Mexico, Panama, Portugal, South Africa, and the United Kingdom. So if you need help planning a move abroad, we got you. We know it's a complex task. There's a lot of research that goes into it. And you have to kind of be organized, right? You have to keep things in one place so you don't happen to lose the information that you just found. Well, anyway, we took all that work away from you having to do it. This is a compiled list of diverse online resources that can assist you in making your transition as smooth as possible. If you get this, in addition to the Mexican Residency resource guide, you get a discount. Right now, I think it's 20% if you get both of them, because there is a little bit of duplication, not much, but since Mexico is covered in this resource guide as well as the other, there is a 20% savings if you get them both together. And what do the websites cover? Well, it covers different aspects of moving abroad, including visa information, housing, job search, cultural assimilation, and financial planning. So again, these are 8 of the most sought after destinations for Black Americans who are looking to possibly making a full-time or short-term move abroad. And again, all for the low of under $20 for now throughout 2024. The next one we're going to go into is our 300 Things Manifestation Journal and Tracker. How timely. It's the end of the year, guys. Let's start manifesting in a big way. Let's think outside the box of a vision board. Vision boards are great, but often limiting. And this journal and tracker was inspired by Steve Harvey, who talks about writing down 300 things, big ideas, big ways to envision your future, and stacking the odds in our favor. Because not sure if you were aware, but you become 42% more likely to achieve your goals and dreams by writing them down. The most super successful people in the world know this. This is a beginner-friendly journal and tracker that encourages everyone to leave the limited thinking behind and focus on high-volume manifestations to receive optimal rewards. And I'm a testament to that. I'm going to do a personal testimony one day about how powerful this has been in this past year and a half alone. It has been super amazing. So I'll also include the link to our 300 Things or our New Year's community group that we're going to start on December 30th. And a focus of that will be this 300 Things included in the description as well. So let's go on to the next one is the Plan, Then Produce 28-Day Challenge Accountability Workbook. And so basically, keep it sweet and simple. It's a workbook designed to help you stay focused, not just only stay focused, to make promises and pledges to yourself to get these things accomplished. It's designed to get you to stay on target and meet your goals. We also have a 28-day challenge. This is our second one since we launched the Stay Ready movement, where we will hold each other accountable for 28 days to get whatever those goals are. It can be anything from getting a new job to getting certified, things like eliminating certain foods from your diet, exercise routines, purging, spending more time with God, like whatever those things are that you want to become more consistent at and check off your box, then this is the book for you. But this is the specialty. If you join our 28-day accountability challenge, then if you purchase this book, you will be reimbursed once you join the challenge. So go ahead, sign up for our challenge. We'll, work it out on the back end. Rather, I have to Cash App you, whatever, it will be taken off of the back end. We only have a couple more, so we're almost done. But let's go to the next resource guide. I think that may have been the last paid one. So let's go on to the free resource guides that are available. This is a document for Black women. Listen, men can download this too. The women are the one who tend to express their emotions and level of frustrations and or mental challenges more so. So this was created for Black women who want to mentally stay ready so you don't have to get ready. It's a free resource guide to hopefully help you deal with things like high functioning depression at work, resources to help you to handle any situation that comes your way. So if you want to check out more about that, it's free. Go ahead, download it, share this information with someone that you may think needs it. Um, and I think we have two more free ones to go over. This is our classes in session project 2025 101 resource guide, and we went over this in a video as well where we talked about the resources that we should be tapped into to help us stay ready. The words that are coming out of these people's mouths about their plans are all based in fact. There's links to resources that outline exactly what they plan for us. Okay. So you should get on some of these newsletters. You should, definitely tap into some of the directives and mandates that they have promised to handle soon after the changing of the guard. It's free. Go ahead and download it and, sign up for these newsletters. And then I think we only have one more left. And this is the newest because people asked for it. Now, listen, I can't spend all my time doing free resources and with clickable links. A really necessary one. So, if you're tired of the same old stories from the same old corporate media news outlets, download this resource. It is a list of the top non traditional, non commercial news sources. Let's just read the description. Here's a list of nonpartisan news outlets and non commercial news media outlets, both in the US and internationally. These organizations are known for their commitment to impartial reporting, independent journalism, and nonprofit or commercial free operations. I do want to, share this disclaimer. I make no guarantees about when that may change or when it may shift, but as of today, these are some of the most reputable news outlets where you can get the most authentic coverage. Now, things are changing rapidly. Go ahead and start, doing your due diligence if you start seeing things appear different within some of these outlets. But for now, these are ones that I recommend, highly use, and can co-sign. So go ahead and download this free resource guide. Again, the links will be in the description below. I just wanted to make it available to everyone, do a breakdown because some people are tuning into Gym Nation, now for the first time or have just joined over the past week. And these resources have been available for a while. And as I think of others, will build others because we need this information. So when I find something, I'm going to share it with us, with Gym Nation as a community. And all I ask that you do is spread the word. Sharing is caring. Pass it on. And of course, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us during our lives. We have a good time. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, check out these resources through the links below. The access to the Stay Ready playlist is right here. All you have to do is click the image at the top left, or you may like this video at the bottom left. Either way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next video.